Hey guys, this is Sassy Ship Says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be another fun unboxing slash review from Althea's latest launches. And if you're like me, tired of your oily skin, then this unboxing is going to be ideal for you. So you guys already know that I'm a big fan of Althea products, and so many of the products are exclusively available just on Althea's website and they ship easily to India. I'm supremely excited as they have newly added to their Petal Velvet range the Petal Velvet Sunaway, which is their sunscreen. And I always recommend that you should be adding sunscreen to your skincare routine, whether beneath your makeup or just as so without any makeup. It's a really good habit and an investment for your skin. So let's dive in, guys. The first product that I am reaching out to is this cute looking holographic shiny pouch. It looks like this. I don't really have to open my pouch to see the product. I get to see right through it. So I find this really cute. I have a fanny pack similar to this, so I think it's going to go really well with it. So I love this pouch already. The second product that I have is the star of the hour, the Petal Velvet Sunaway Sunscreen. The Petal Velvet Sunaway is launched now. It's added to the Petal Velvet range. But these two products have always been there. Their Petal Velvet powder in warm beige. So this has like a slight coloring, can be used in darker skin tone as well. It comes in the shade 23, and this is that translucent powder, which is the shade 0, the Petal Velvet powder. And the third one is this special edition, which is the pink lavender powder with hues of pink and velvet. And this is the anniversary edition. Like I said, Althea has completed 3 glorious years, and to celebrate that, they've added this limited edition product. Now, first I'll talk a little bit about these powders. I've used them before and I am such a big fan. Compared to the other super expensive setting powders that you have or compacts that you have, this is going to be really pocket friendly and affordable and easily available on Althea's website. I love the translucent setting powder because it firstly takes care of your excess oil, it takes care of your sebum, it'll give you like a lightweight mattifying finish to your face, it'll extend your makeup. I'm wearing that right now under my eye, and all over my face I have the number 23 setting powder, and I really like the texture is super light. It also has microfine particles. That means that the powder is so finely milled that even if like it comes on your hand and you just like touch it, it's going to disappear, vanish just like so, because it is so finely milled, and I like that in my setting powder. It doesn't make my foundation cakey, even if I'm setting my under eye or leaving it so under my eye for like 5 to 10 minutes and then dusting it off. It's really easy to get rid of the excess, as it will only take and allow your skin to soak in the product that's required. It will not give like a cakey layer, which I really love about these products. As for the warm beige color, I usually like to use it as a setting powder, and you can use everywhere else other than your T-zone and under your eye to set the makeup. And I like the fact that it can be used by a lot of skin tones. My friend, which is 5 to 6 tones darker than me, I've given her powder when she was at my place the other day, and she used this actually to set her entire face, and it worked magic on her face and even on me, where my skin is considered on the very fair side, and I still love how the warm beige foundation sets on my face. The limited edition powder, which is the pink lavender powder, I like to use it on my eyelid and under my eye, especially times when you feel like your skin is dull or it needs a quick pick me up, or you want your skin to look brighter and even, especially the bridge area of your nose and your under eye and this area. You need like a chiseled contouring, switch over your other compact or your setting powder with the pink lavender one. This also happens to be in sync with the ultraviolet Pantone color of the year, and I'm absolutely in love with the shades, 3 shades, as all 3 shades do what they're supposed to do. It'll stop the excess oil that your skin otherwise produces. Your makeup won't look cakey, it'll brighten up your skin and also at the same time give you a very mattifying, even look. and it extends your makeup. I mean, if you put this, dab like a little bit of it under your eyeshadow or over your eye primer, it'll actually give you a very mattifying effect on your eyeshadows, and your eyeshadows won't break into or mix into the two colors and extend for a really long time. I absolutely swear by these babies. Okay, now talking about the ingredients in all these three powders, Petal Velvet powders, it contains, let me get this correct, saponin, which is anti-aging and it helps repair damaged skin cells. It also has sun protection because it has polyphenols that helps you protect the skin against the sun. And also it has Althea seeds oil, which is amazing, and I know for a fact because I've used these products and my skin feels hydrated, nourished. When I remove my makeup, it doesn't feel like it's stripped off its natural oils. And these products are 100% cruelty free and they are made using all natural products. The pink lavender powder is priced just at Rs 370, and these are the two, the translucent and the white one, are priced at just Rs 320, which is a loot for the kind of ingredients and the kind of finish that you get on your face. What I like about this is that it comes in this cute little pink and transparent sugar-coated jar, and it also has like a puff. Now comes the star product and the new launch by Althea, which is the Petal Velvet Sunaway Sunscreen, which has SPF 50 and 4 pluses, which is really good level of sunscreen, I would say. I've used this twice already because I couldn't contain it and I had to test it out before I sat down to reviewing it. So that's the reason it's already used. It's opened and it contains damask rose microparticle, just as the powders, the Petal Velvet powders that you saw. Even this product is finely milled. So you see the sunscreen actually comes out like finely milled. It's not like a heavy texture. It's like really smooth. I'm wearing that beneath my makeup already. Again, I love the packaging of white and baby pink. It just calls out to you, and it is definitely sebum control, because after I use it beneath my makeup, I would see that usually my T-zone gets oily like within the first 2-3 hours. My skin is super sensitive and oily. I have not had any pimples or breakouts after I started to use this, and also I would see that my skin becomes oily after like 3 or 4 hours. So 2 hours more of shine-free makeup, almost 4 to 5 hours, which is amazing. And after using it for a couple of days, I would say that this is hands down my current favorite sunscreen, which is one of the most non-sticky and lightweight sunscreen that you can ever find. This product also acts as a protective barrier against the harmful UV rays, as it won't get absorbed in your skin, but it'll act like a filter that protects your skin. And I can vouch for this product because I have super sensitive and oily combination skin, and it suited my skin tone, skin type really well. And I think that if you too have sensitive skin like me, you should not worry and give this baby a try, definitely. Also, it contains hyaluronic acid and damask rose. Now, these two properties and ingredients are very well known to keep your skin plump and hydrated at the same time. I would say that the finish of this product is completely invisible, and one of the main reasons is because it contains finely milled microparticles that are also present in the Petal Velvet powders. This product is also cruelty free and it is made using a hypoallergenic formula. This product can be bought exclusively on Althea's website and it is priced at 964 rupees. I would say it is an investment worth it for your skin, and if you were looking out for that perfect little sunscreen which also does what it's supposed to do, protects your skin against the sun yet doesn't make your makeup look cakey. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing / review of my Althea's new launches. I'm an Althea angel and I'm going to be linking below all the products that you saw now so that it's easier for you to check out on their website. If you like more such videos, make sure to hit me up on Instagram and Facebook, and comment below which was your one favorite Althea product that you can do without. Until then, keep it sassy.